Hello, I am host of ZK, and you are watching ZK ITV Digital RE tutorial channel. Welcome to the world of ZK. Today, we are exploring online music tutorial and earning. Let's start the video.
At the age of 30, I've achieved 5-figure monthly revenues as an online entrepreneur. In just 3 years, I've established a music label with a monthly turnover of $25,000. Out of that, I personally pocket $10,000 every month. Whether you're young, old, a student, or working a 9-to-5 job, it's entirely feasible to achieve this from home. My journey wasn't easy or swift. It involved sleepless nights, constant stress, and financial setbacks. Most of our revenue comes from Spotify and other streaming services. Currently, we have over 15 artists signed to our label. Not all these artists are real people. We collaborate with ghost producers and employ AI. We pay our artists a substantial percentage in royalties compared to other major labels. About 25% of our content is now generated by AI or through ghost producing. How to create new songs in seconds using AI tools. These songs can be uploaded to Spotify and other streaming providers, allowing you to establish a passive income stream. To start creating music, we need a tool that can automatically generate countless songs across any music genre. Whether it's EDM, techno, or lo-fi music, the possibilities are limitless. After years of testing, we have found a software called IVA that has been actively used for 2 years. With IVA, you can rapidly produce new songs. To get started, visit iva.ai and download the desktop app suitable for your operating system. Once installed, you can begin crafting your first tracks immediately. Choose your desired genre and click on Create to generate new songs. We recommend EDM, lo-fi, meditation, and techno for the best results. If you're experienced in music production, you can select a specific key. However, for most users, leaving everything on automatic settings works just fine. We suggest setting the song lengths to 2 to 2.5 minutes and creating 5 compositions at once. Pro tip: choose songs that don't exceed 3 minutes. Spotify counts a song only if it's played for at least 30 seconds. From our experience, songs with a maximum duration of 3.5 minutes generate the most streams. However, ensure that your songs are at least 1 minute long, as many streaming providers don't accept songs shorter than 1 minute. Once you've created your songs and identified your favorite, you can download them. For commercial use, you'll need a subscription to the Pro plan, which costs $50 per month. With the Pro plan, you get all rights to the music, allowing you to commercially utilize and monetize it on all platforms. Now that we have our songs ready for release, we need an appropriate album cover. AI comes to the rescue, helping us create the perfect album cover. Tools for creating album covers in seconds, perfect for lo-fi or meditation music. Design your song cover with Leonardo.ai, a user-friendly tool suitable for any music genre. Choose from thousands of templates and customize them to your liking using postermywall.com. Publish your music on Spotify and other streaming platforms effortlessly with DistroKid. With DistroKid's Musician Plus package, release unlimited songs and get automatic distribution to major platforms. Diversify your income and stay active in your niche by producing more music. Although not chart-topping hits, this fascinating process offers a fantastic revenue stream with minimal effort. Schedule your music uploads and pitch them later to increase your chances of being featured on Spotify playlists. More streams mean more monthly cash flow, so take advantage of the Musician Plus package and showcase your new songs. Sign up for DistroKid through my link and save 7% on your annual subscription. Release your music on DistroKid by going to the Upload Music section in the menu. Choose the services where you want your music to be released, including Snapchat. Select an appropriate artist or band name for your music. Pick a release date at least 4 weeks in the future, preferably on a Friday. Consider releasing 2 to 3 songs immediately to establish your artist profile. Be creative with your artist name, but make sure it doesn't infringe on any trademarks. Choose the language of your song. Most tracks produced by Iva are instrumental beats. Select the appropriate music genre for your song. You can choose up to 2 categories. Upload your album cover with a minimum size of 1500 by 1500 pixels, ideally 3000 by 3000 pixels. Song title for your upload. Adjust the subsequent settings as needed. Upload your song and add credits for the songwriter. Input your first and last name as the songwriter. Skip the next settings until you reach instrumental. Choose the option that states the song is instrumental and contains no lyrics. Scroll to the bottom, confirm all options, and click Done. Your first song is uploaded and ready for release. It will take a few days before your content gets published on Spotify and other platforms. Sign up for Spotify for artists to view your song's statistics and performance. Create various clips and canvases of your song to promote it on social media. TikTok and YouTube Shorts are great free ways to gain thousands of streams. Link your YouTube music channel to your personal YouTube channel as an official artist channel. Publish YouTube Shorts or videos from your artist account on TikTok. Switch your profile to an artist channel and link your songs on Spotify. Create your own playlists featuring your songs and link them on social media. This strategy can substantially grow your reach within weeks, offering passive income with minimal time investment.
If you are new, then subscribe. If you get information, then like and share with friends. Website link in description below. For your feedback, do comments below. Thanks for your time.